Your job is at stake. I agree. Especially if you don't know how to use AI or if you have not embraced AI yet. AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Something that has been programmed to help you perform some tasks. Might not be just one task, might be variety or wide tasks, but they are designed to help you perform tasks, to help you increase your output. Here is it. If you've been doing something before for like 20 days to achieve a particular task, now if you can do that same thing for just 20 minutes, what does that save you? Time, energy, emotional stress, psychological stress, hesitation, procrastination, name it. But no, now, you've been told something, you've been told something else. You've been told artificial intelligence will take your job. Artificial intelligence will take your job, which is actually not supposed to be. Artificial intelligence will not take your job. It should increase your output if you know how to use it. Yes, what I'm saying.
It takes a lot of time, energy, and skills to present, shoot, and edit video. So Zane can use me to present to make it faster.
Yeah, so I use him to present. He is artificial intelligence. How does it even help him more? Oh yeah, I run ad for business. I help business promote their business online. Now, people do ask me questions. Now, I'm always trying to answer this question, okay? So, what did I do? I create an AI to answer all business related questions. Question related to whatever I'm doing and question that has to do with something they will ask, and it will answer them without me involving them. That's not all. It takes time to create a digital product or a course. You want to create a course, you want to help people to achieve something, you want to create something to help them. It takes time from ideation to creation to everything, to ideation to completion. It takes time. And if you watch my video, my YouTube series video where I teach how to create a digital product, you will see the long process. Now, but what happened? I can use an AI to create a course in 5 minutes or less. For many people, creating YouTube shorts is a strenuous task. Creating YouTube short, a video, a portrait, a reel, a single video that is just 1 to 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes long. It takes a lot of time. You have to plan it, you have to shoot it, you have to do it now. How about you just take a long video, just copy the link and just put it in this AI. And what happened? It creates a lot of shots for you from that video automatically with subtitle. What happened to that? AI increases your output. Another thing is, people have less time to read nowadays. Know what they do rather? They just go to this AI. They put that document there. They put that book there, e-book, everything, you name it. They put it there, and it summarizes this. And they can even ask it question about the book. They can ask it question that is essential to whatever they need by buying that book or by getting that e-book, and it answers them directly. Even if I'm tired to use my own voice as voiceover to do something, you know what I do? I simply use AI. I type my script there. The AI now use voice. I can choose any voice I like. Can be male, can be female, can be black, can be anything. Yeah, don't be racist. Can be anything. Okay, pun intended. Can be anything. I choose it. Then I will match the AI to whatever I want to do. What else? Hey, I'm Zane, a digital marketer. I've been online for over 7 years, and I will tell you something. Just one thing. Since I've been online, I've never seen something like this again. Before. I've never seen something like this before. You can now do anything easily. You can now do anything easily by clicking just few buttons. And the fun fact is that you don't need skill to operate AI. You only need strategy. Okay, you need how to operate them. And how do you operate them? You need to even know them before you operate them. So you want to know them and know how to operate them. Okay, so fret not. This weekend, I will be organizing a 2 days workshop, 2 days webinar, where I will be showing you 25 plus AI tools. 25 plus AI tools that can help and increase your outputs. Okay, imagine if you want to do something and you have a less time input, but much output. What's that? That's the work of AI. What you want to do for 20 days, for 30 days, for 6 months can literally take you an hour right now with AI. Now, if you can just reduce the time input and increase your result output, well, I would have helped you lots, right? So this weekend I will be organizing a 2 days workshop, 2 days webinar, where I will be showing you 25 AI tools that can help increase your output. Not only that, I'll even show you for business that you can use this AI to start, or the combination of the AI to start directly. If this sounds like what you're in, click the link below and just check this out. Success.